In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an audio player to your Sellfy store. Whether you're a musician looking to showcase your latest track, or an entrepreneur creating content to sell online, adding an audio preview to your product page can significantly boost engagement and drive sales. Let's dive into the steps to make this happen seamlessly. First things first, we need to create a short preview of your audio file. This should be a demo version, anywhere from 30 to 60 seconds in length. The idea here is to give your potential customers a taste of what they can expect, enticing them to make a purchase. It's a good practice to watermark this preview or format it in a way that clearly identifies it as a demo. This prevents unauthorized use and ensures that listeners know they're getting just a snippet of your full content. Once you have your demo ready, the next step is to upload it to a supported service. There are several platforms you can use, but the most common choice for music and audio samples is SoundCloud. Head over to your chosen platform and upload the preview file. Make sure you've set the appropriate privacy settings so that your audience can find and listen to your track. On SoundCloud, for instance, you'll want to ensure that your track is public. This means anyone with the link can listen without any restrictions. Now that your track is uploaded and live, you'll need to grab the public URL. This is the link from your browser's address bar that leads directly to your audio preview on the platform. It's essentially a roadmap for anyone who wishes to access your content online. Simply copy this URL, as it will be crucial for the next step. It's important to note that SoundCloud is not your only option. If you're already using services like Spotify, Mixcloud, YouTube, Vimeo, or similar platforms, you can follow a similar process with them. Each of these platforms allows you to host audio or video content and share the link publicly. The choice of platform can depend on where you already have an audience or which interface you find most user-friendly. To complete the process, you'll take the URL you copied and integrate it into your Sellfy store. This could mean pasting it into the product description or embedding it in whatever way Sellfy allows for interactive or multimedia content. Unfortunately, my guidance today doesn't cover this final integration in detail, but you can find more information directly in Sellfy's support documentation for your specific needs. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively add an audio player to your Sellfy store, enriching the shopping experience and ultimately helping you stand out in your market. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.